Hey guys, I'm Shivenchy Dutt and this is my mom, and because it's Mother's Day, I'm going to do a look on her.
Awesome.
And we're going to be using all Forever 52 products today, whatever we could find that we had at home. So let's go.
I'm very excited that she is doing my makeup on Mother's Day, and she's already done it before, but today it's going to be a little different look. And what I'm excited about is that she's going to conceal my dark circles. So let's start.
I'm going to use the Forever 52 concealer, and usually I do put the concealer after the foundation, but today I'm going to start with the concealer first. For the foundation, I'm going to be using two of the two different shades, which is FLF 11 and FLF 13. And because we don't have enough products, right? So we have to do with what we have. So I'm going to give Mama more contouring than last time, and because we've got some really nice products here to use. We've got the Spotless Glow Stick Foundations in Spelt and Oats. So Spelt is the contour that I use, it's a darker shade, and then Oats is the highlight shade. So we're done with the contouring, and Mama will tell me what's the next step.
The next step is a Wet and Dry Compact by Forever 52. This is my favorite. It just sets my base perfectly.
I'm using the same concealer I used as the face concealer, also as the eye base. I'm now using the Expressive Eyeshadow palette, which has 35 colors, so I think that will be enough for our look. I'm using a slightly light brown peach as a transition shade. I'm now using a darker brown on top of the transition shade and just in the lid, just to create some depth and give a soft smoky. I'm just adding a slight burnt red, I would say. It would just give like a popped up color instead of keeping it all brown and nude. Next, I'm going to use a Magnificent Eye Palette, which I love. And it's got all these pretty colors to top up your eyeshadows. Next, we're going to add a Diamond Dust powder, and this is in FDP 003, and we're just going to use it on the inner corner, outer corner, maybe a little bit on top, and it'll give like this nice diamond effect.
She's done my eye makeup, but I want her famous She liner on my eyes now.
For that, I'll use the Forever 52 Miracle Eyeliner. Now that we're done with the eyes, we can do the eyebrows using the Master Brow Kit from Forever 52.
How is it looking?
I think it's looking alright. And now we can move on with the powder contour, for which we're going to use the powder highlight and contour palette. Now to blush Mama's cheeks, I'm going to use a Studio Blush, which is quite bright, so I'm going to tone it down a bit. I'm going to use it very softly and let's see how it looks. To highlight, I'm going to use the same palette. They've got a highlighter here, and I'm just going to wet my brush to use it. Using the Forever 52 Fix Plus. I'm going to start with the lips by shaping them using a lip pencil, which is also from Forever 52. Using a matte lipstick from Forever 52 in HDM 009 to fill in the lips. Now that we're almost done and on the final stages, we can move on to the eyelashes. And why in this condition, Mama will tell you.
Because they are amazing and they are reusable, and I have used them many times.
Now we're going to set the spray using the Fix Quickly Setting Spray to finish off. Close your eyes. Ta-da! Now we're we're gonna show my mother makeup. Are you ready?
Very, very excited.
1, 2, 3.
Wow. You have a glamorous mommy.
Cool, now Mama's gonna get ready and then we're gonna see how she looks at the end.
I am so happy with my look. She has made me look like Meenakshi Dutt.